Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me another awesome product, and this is a paid review, and it's a free product. Today, we have Simfort Carbolic Acid Shampoo. And if you haven't read all of the benefits of carbonic shampoo, read up on it when you go to Amazon and purchase the shampoo. But it really is a shampoo that cleanses the scalp and hair, gives a healthy gloss and appearance to the hair. Simfort Carbolic Acid Shampoo. Let's go give it a shot, shall we? Had a unique smell. Must be that carbonic acid.